How are we doing, everyone? It is another beautiful day. I've got something special for you. Today I am taking delivery of a 14 by 36 tiny house shed bungalow thing. I don't like calling it a tiny house because that implies that it's small. It's not. It's a good sized one. It's 14 by 36. I've got my truck loaded up. The plan is to meet the trucker where the tiny house is and just oversee the loading, get some cool shots of that, and be there to assist him. So we've got some work ahead of us. Let's hit the road. Here they are. We're here, we're on site, ready to get this thing moved. Now that there is a mule. It's built by the Cardinal Building Company. They actually made it to move these around. It's really cool. Can't wait to show you guys the process. So this is the shed. It's 14 by 36. It's 4 years old. And what the gentleman that is going to move it is doing is putting bracing on the sides to minimize the cracking of the drywall and the flex of the building when he starts moving it. Once he's done with that, he's going to put his bogies under the end, pick up this end, I think, and get it out to his truck. Okay, we got this side braced up. Now we are going to add some 2x4s to the other side to give it a little more structure.
No, I think that's about what we can do, you know, to minimize it. The rest of there's just, otherwise there's just going to be.
Yeah, well, I fully expect to do some repairs when I get it there.
And everywhere I'm hitting, I'm running into screws. We're not.
Yeah, you're not just putting it into plywood. Very cool.
Okay.
So these are his bogies, and they go under this end, and that end over there he'll pick up and get it out to his truck. Say, this is pretty cool. That machine right there is incredible. We estimate this building to weigh 17,000 pounds. Just like that, he's got the front end up. He's got a remote control over there, and that controls the mule. That is epic. Just epic. And now he's taking it out to his truck. Just like that, he's got it loaded. This man is a true professional. Next stop, where the building is going to be set. He's unloading his mule. Let's get this baby into position. All right, he's taken up a strategic position over there. This guy definitely knows his stuff. He's got his remote out. Now we just got to get it into position. Going in here, right on that gravel pad. First footing is in, the back is set. We're putting these big 6x6 timbers every 6 feet down the length of the building.
Ready? That block. Go.
And there he goes. We got her set. Here it is. The camera makes it look a lot smaller than it is. We had to change up the way that we were going to support everything. I initially thought I would have all of these pavers on the outside and have one every 4 feet. And Kenneth, the driver, said that that would make it really hard to get level. Kenneth is the pro. And when you're a novice like me, I move machinery around. I don't really build or set buildings off like he does every day. You have to defer to the professional, and that is a lesson I've learned over the years. Either way, it's gonna work. It's not a matter of life and death. So if someone has another way of getting it done that will make it come out better, do it that way. It doesn't matter at the end of the day. And that is what we did. We put a total of 24 footings under this. Let's say this weighs 17,000 pounds. If my calculations are correct, that means that there is a little less than 3 pounds per square inch on each one of these footings. And that means we will have no problem with this building sinking or settling down into the gravel. If it does, it's not gonna do it very much. If it does, there are shims under there that are shaped as a wedge, and you just go in there, hammer on them a little bit, and you're good to go. So this was definitely a success. The footings, I wish they were a little more square and a little more perfect. It's making my OCD flare up, but once we put skirting across this, you won't be able to see them, and it won't really matter. All you gotta do is keep it dry, and the 6-inch gravel pad on top of the 1.5 foot of blocks will definitely do that. Do you guys want to see the inside? Let's check it out. Drum roll, please. Ha-ha, ta-da! It's here, it's great, it's amazing. So this is the living room. Let me zoom out. It's actually more spacious than it looks. Okay, I'm gonna have to stay in one zoom, so you won't be able to see all of it, but the inside is really nice. It's a little more spacious than it looks. We've got our kitchen over here. Gonna refine this a little bit. Might paint the stove. Gonna fix up the counters. It came with all of this trim, so that will go around everything. Here is the bathroom. It's a bit of a step right there. They did that so that it would protect all of the plumbing and it could be inside so it wouldn't freeze. I think it was really smart. Now my camera is having trouble focusing, so I can't step up in there. But it's got a nice size shower, and it is a good size. The lady that built it said that if she was gonna feel cramped, she didn't wanna live there. So she made the bathroom nice and spacious, which is a feature I love. And then in here is the bedroom. So we've got room for a queen bed over here, dresser, and then this in here is the walk-in closet. Now I intend to encase this in plywood and then put a stacked washer and dryer right there. And then this can be a closet / laundry room. I am also, in the near future, going to put an addition out that side, and I'm going to either make the door right there or put it over there so that you don't have a big honking door in the way here where you can't really do nothing with. And then that will walk out into an addition that will essentially double the square footage of this place. I intend to build out about 8 feet and then run down the length of the entire thing with another room. And that will make this even better than what it is now. It's really cool. I'm really excited. I can't wait to show you guys the finished product. So stay tuned. I'll be documenting every step of this, hopefully, if I have time. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.